Well, good morning. Well, barely. Getting a late start. We've left Muley Point, and we're just coming out. This is one of our favorite boondocking spots when we get here at the time we need to stop. And just past the old Fry Canyon resort or motel or lodge or whatever it was.
Hasn't been open for years.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, you can drive back here, and there's...
Before somebody dumped a refrigerator there.
Yeah.
This might be a good place to stop.
Kind of a good rock drop-off over here. This area right in here is too bad to get to. It's a little more difficult over there, but I may fly the drone here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so this is a great little boondock spot. It is on BLM. I'm just looking around down the way. Right here where we are, the highway can see you, but obviously at night they're not going to. And I'll get the GPS down below. But if you want to go down further, he kept going straight. There was kind of a rock slope down. It's not bad, high clearance. And then you're hidden down below the hill with some trees around you and all that good stuff. So,
But you're on the edge of the canyon. So
right.
It's a nice view.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. So, all right. Well, we're still just going to be roaming today. We don't have any like major sites that we're seeing. We're just going to have a lot of like, cool little things like this, you know, just kind of checking it out. So, all right, we'll see you in a little bit. So this is just the type of country you drive here. Once you get up on Cedar Mesa and past the natural bridges area and such. Well, we are just a little further down the road, and boy, what a view. And the Snowy Mountains, by the way, or the Henry Mountains, and we will not be trying to go through them.
Having failed twice.
Yeah. It's another view of the road along here. We're down in this canyon. It's gorgeous. I think we're coming down close to Hite.
I think there's a marina.
Yeah, I don't know if you can get a boat in there now. Yeah, here's the sign to Hite.
There is no gas.
Yeah. Might be interesting to see how the Colorado River may have come up or not. Pull in here and go check things out. All right, well, we stopped here at the bridge, and this ravine we see out here breaks way down where we see the bridge coming up here, and the Colorado River is flowing down with the Henry Mountains in the background. All right, well, I'm trying to walk down here to see if we can get a view of the Colorado River here under the bridge. Bridge doesn't look like it's a walking bridge, so... And I think I'm going to be thwarted here. Huh. Thought there'd be a way down, but it doesn't look like it. All right, let me figure this out. Well, the problem here appears to be I have to get down off this ledge, but then there's another ledge right in front of me that I would have to get down. I'm not going to give up. But the next thing you see is not the river under the bridge, then you know I did not make it. All right, I am still trying to get down to the bridge, but this is this cryptogenic soil, and apparently it can take hundreds of years for this to grow back if it's stepped on. Just an FYI. Looks like I have a accompanying dog. Well, we made it. We meaning Trigger and I. Take a look back up the canyon here. Isn't that incredible? Totally incredible just how the water over the millennia has carved this canyon. Now, I would say that the flow of water is higher than it has been in recent years. Unfortunately, it's going to take a lot more than one crazy year of snowfall to replenish the Glen Canyon Dam or was it the Mojave Dam reservoir? Well, we got to see the underneath of the bridge, what was going underneath. Let's take a look at going through it, over it, whatever you call it. What a great formation up there straight ahead. Can't really say it enough how beautiful it is through here. But the crazy thing is that because the ferry at Paul's Crossing to Bullfrog is closed, we have to drive probably about 120 miles out of our way. We're going to be driving up and then we're going to be heading south again and back north. So, oh well. Well, we were taking this drive and we saw this. I'm going to get out and get some shots and see if it says anything. All right. Let's see, got a propane tank, a tin can, got a big nut, and a carbiner that's broken, it looks like. Here, got a feather. Probably some car part here. Got a bushing and a spool. Yeah, little diamond plate. Who knows? What's that? Toe strap there. You never know what you're gonna find on the road. What is Texas? Texas 51. You can see it. Alright. Who knows? Who knows? Well, we got to our Boondock Spot a couple hours ago and it's been horrendously windy, and it still pretty much is. But I figured if I didn't come out, go now, we're going to lose our light. And I wanted to show you the area here in our view. Now, we are on BLM land here, but just behind me, the area back there is all part of the Glen Canyon Recreation Area. This is the second time, actually, I think that we boondocked right here. In the past, we boondocked out there, and that is part of the Glen Canyon Recreation Area. But take a look at the view we have from here. A couple reasons that we camp here. I think the primary reason really is Carol doesn't like to go down this road, but also another big reason is the other camp spot, which I'm going to walk down to, is sort of on the edge. And if Trigger was chasing a lizard or something, you know, who knows? Lizards know the terrain. They might lead him right off the cliff or something. So about 100 yards down there, and, you know, he's not going to chase a lizard 100 yards. So I'm going to fly the drone, but I'm not going to fly it in this wind. I'll wait until the morning. But I was saying, Carol not liking the road. I don't know if you can tell how steep this is here. Yeah, it doesn't look on the camera like it's very steep at all, but it's very steep. And the alternative road, which isn't quite as steep, is right over here. But this alternative road, which isn't as steep, then you get into all of this stuff. But let's go ahead and walk out there. All right, so I'm coming out to the end here. Look at this gorgeous view. And you can see the uplift. This is part of the water pocket fold, pretty much the southern end of it. Very hard to hold the camera still in this wind. Really curious of this area right across from where I'm standing. That rock up there almost looks like a bunch of people pushing forward, you know, front to back. Right. And then there's this area right here, which also looks real interesting. Yeah, you can see just the fall off right here. And some nice sun down there. Hopefully it'll work its way back on those rocks. Those red rocks right there at the bottom where looks like the creek must go through there. I mean, everywhere you look here, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that area out there. The rim rock up there. There's that rim rock a little closer. Just crazy, all the colors. I mean, you've got the reds and then the kind of whitish, yellowish rocks down below. And then down at the bottom, you have the red again. And back behind us, there is a road that seems to go up into this area. And I've never driven up it. We've always come out to the point here because the view's such a gorgeous view. Yeah, so you can see the camp right back there. And the Henry Mountains. Now they don't look like they have the snow on them from this side like we saw on the other. We are looking east right now. Well, I was kind of hoping we'd get a better break in the sun, or the sun would hit the rocks a little bit better and light them up. But I still think it's pretty beautiful. Hopefully it comes through in the camera as it was for me, you know, looking at it. Like I said, I'll be doing the drone in the morning and should be a lot more light and a bigger perspective, I guess, you know, a little higher up in the air and stuff. So thanks for watching. We really appreciate you guys joining us on these trips. Like and subscribe, that helps us, and leave a comment, that helps us too. And there's a notification, the little bell, hit that, and then you'll know when our next one goes up. Until tomorrow, we'll see you. All right, thanks.
Since I was a child, when I was young and wild, nobody could ever tell me there was nothing to overwhelm me. I thought I was cool, but now let's go.